Talking about the kitchen, we've chosen to use stainless steel for both the sink and the worktop. This is of course so that you can use your kitchen without worrying about water damage when washing up or general wear and tear. Here, you can really make use of your kitchen. In addition to that, we've chosen to have practical hooks that we make ourselves out of aluminium. Thanks to this, you can hang quite heavy things without any issues, or risk of them breaking. All the fittings in the kitchen are made of metal, instead of the typical plastic knobs that will break sooner or later. Here we can easily see how all our drawers are made. All the drawers are made from solid oak and are finger jointed. The advantage of this drawer is that it has a completely different lifespan compared to a drawer made from a metal construction or thinner melamine material, as those wear down on the inside. This one will get, if there's any wear at all, a patina. This drawer will look unchanged after 20 years of use.